Going to replace the spiral balance on both sides of this vinyl tilt-in window. I've tried lubing and retensioning and tightening the old ones, and it's just it's not working. It's just too hard to get up and down and whatever. So we're going to go ahead and replace them. Very few tools. I'll show you how to measure for the new spiral balance, but you'll need a flathead, a Phillips, and this tensioning tool. You'll need one of those for sure for this type of spiral balance. If that's what you have on your windows. I'll leave a link to both of those things in this tool under the More button. You can take a look at that. And here, I want you to listen to this window. You can see how hard it is to lift that window, and you can hear those springs banging in there. But anyways, most of them will have a cover on the sides covering the rest of the mechanism. So you got to uncover that. So we'll just get the sash out of the way, tilt it in, and then tip it sideways to get the pivot pins out of that shoe thing there. And then you can see the spiral balance there. It's all kind of cruddy, but and there's the cover for that. So if you just get under one side of it, most of them I think probably just snap in from one side or the other. It might be a little bit different, but they're pretty, should be pretty similar. They just pop out. Get those out of the way, and then you can inspect the shoe and the spiral balance. You can see how you hook your tool on there. You can pull down just gently and pull it out, and then you'll have to counterclockwise let the tension off nice and easy. And this one of the pins, which is where above the other one that you can see there, that one pin broke off as I was taking it out, so this was definitely ready. You can see how cruddy it is and whatever, but there should be probably one screw holding it in at the top. And then if you're going to order some new ones, all you need to do is measure the old one, measure that metal tube, and that'll give you the size, and you can order it that way. These particular ones are 32 inches. You can see how gummy and sticky and cruddy the old ones are, and then of course there's the new one that moves a lot nicer than the old one for sure. But so anyways, put it back in just the way the old one came out. The new one is nice and lubey, so that spiral part will probably just fall down. Just ease it up into the cylinder there, pull it down just a little bit, and then I'm going to crank this clockwise. They say 3 to 5, but trial and error on a couple other windows, I found that 8 turns on mine was like the perfect amount of tension. So as you're hanging onto it, you just snap it back into that shoe. Put your covers back on, snap those in. Those can be kind of a pain sometimes. And then ease your sash back in the way it came out, and then level it up to engage those pins, and that's pretty much it. So listen to it now. I had the volume turned up a little bit so you could hear it, but nice and smooth now. So if you got one of these things, I hope this helps you out.